Okay, now when I go around, this should move, right? See it moving when I go around to the right? But when I go around to the left, it goes around and around and around all the way and that doesn't move. See?
Yeah.
Nothing. Black hole. So you get to spin the wheel one way and hope you go that way and you hope that way is the safe way. Otherwise you're fucking dead.
Wow.
Not a thing left of that. Doesn't move the arm at all. Kept my arm stationary and I'm going along. See? And now I can't even push it back hardly. It doesn't want to do fuck all. No, there it goes. I pushed it back. See? Push it back, push it back, push it back. Going around, 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 around one way. And you're going around the corner and
Oh, it's pissing fluid.
See, it doesn't come back. It only works in one direction.
Oh.
Roll it down again. It goes around, 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 around one way. Right? You go the other way. See? It's turning it, turning it, turning it. You can turn
Oh, look
it.
at the fluid pissing on the floor. Nice.
Keeps dust down a little bit.
Well, he's lucky he didn't die today because of that.
Well, that's absolutely fucking deadly. You don't get any unluckier than that, man. You should go fucking buy a lottery ticket tonight.
Yeah, that's what I told him. That's what I told him.
Yeah. I'd be buying one today. For sure.